Hello, writers. First of all, I want to tell you that we are very happy about the work that you've been doing so far. So keep on performing, keep on writing really well. And I know that Italy has told you about how we're going to make the ranking of our websites much better than they are now. And that is by adding and creating backlinks to boost our rankings on Google. So now I'm gonna show you what you need to do um, to record how to record and to guide you on how to first, as you can see here, there's a sheet. This is the backlink creator writer sheet that you're gonna use to record certain things as you write for publications, magazines, that will be the backlinks for our websites. All right, so as you can see, we have columns here, and I'm going to show you what things to put in the fields under these columns. Okay, so first of all, I will send you a link to this backlink sheet that Coco and Alex Marr created. So they looked up the different sites and magazines and publications that you can write in. And in effect, those will be the backlinks to our websites. So as you can see on this column, we have competitors. This is one of our main competitors, Creditos Rapidos. And this is the link wherein they wrote an article or a post or a press release. But I think for this one, as you can see here, no, not that one. That is the website for Creditos Rapidos. This one is the article that they posted on Globedia. So Globedia is noticias, no? It's an online publication or a newspaper. Okay, so this is the article or the post that they created on this website or publication, online publication. So this is what we're going to pattern our work to, or not copy, but you can see here, you can use this as a basis. Okay, so let's go back to this sheet. Okay, so again, I'm gonna give you a link to the sheet so that you can access it, because this is also where you will get the sites wherein you have to write in. And we are gonna start with the free publications first. What is free publication? You just have to sign up, register, and we don't have to pay a penny. But there are also paid publications, and we'll get there after we are done with the free ones. Okay, so for now, let's focus on the free publications. Okay, so once you see this sheet, what do you have to do? Okay, first, if you, for example, say for example, Johanny, you want to choose the second article here, so you have to copy the article link so that we can know what your basis is for the article or post that you're going to create. So I've already opened that one. Okay, so you copy that link here in the backlink creator sheet. Okay, so you copy it here under this column. Okay, then after you've copied that, you go to the website wherein you will write itself. Okay, so here in the backlink creator sheet, Kokoi has already found the page that you have to sign up in. Okay, So you copy that, and not just copy, but you also have to create an account. Maybe you're asking, okay, is it going to be my own account, or there's a profile provided? There's a profile provided. Okay, so I've already created a profile that you're going to use. This is a fictitious name, Rocio Suarez, and this is the email address that you're going to use, and this is the password. So you refer to this part of the sheet when you want to sign up or register on a certain publication or online publication website. Okay. So you copy that one, and then you put that there, just like what I showed you. And then we have to know who among you is writing. So for example, it is Johanne or Days. Okay, I don't want to be accused of playing favorites here, but I don't know the new ones, the new writers yet. I know I've seen them on Beatrix. I've seen your names on Beatrix, but I will get to know you better in the future, I promise. Anyway, okay, so profile used. So of course we're gonna use receiver because this is the only profile we have so far. I'm gonna create more, or maybe you can help me create more profiles that we're gonna use. And then after you've put in there in that field which profile you're using to write in this publication, you have to tell us, you have to put here, this is for which website. This one I think is for Bank Warden, of course, because as you can see, that one is a Spanish, a publication here in Spain. So logically, that belongs to our Spanish website. So bankwarden.com and the other new website that we have. And then word count. You pattern the word count, of course, on this, on the article or post that our competitor made. Or if it makes sense, for example, to write more, I will talk to Italy about it. Then you write more. But what's important is you record it here on this sheet. For example, it's a 400, no, I don't think it's a 400 word article. Say it's a 600 word article. So you put that there. And then under category, yeah, so these websites are different. Some of them are online publications about economics, finances, and so on and so forth. But others are, for example, I forgot. There's one that looks like Mogo. It's like Facebook, or Tumblr, wherein you can submit blog posts. Okay, or press release. Sometimes the websites are press release websites. So you have to put here what kind of website or publication or magazine it is. Okay, so let's say online magazine, but of course you have to write it in Spanish. This is just an example. And then paid or free, since this is a no-brainer. If it's a paid publication, you put there paid. If it's a free publication, you put there free. Why do we have to put it here? Because you will be using this sheet, all of you, at the same time. So of course we need to be organized. We need to know which work is which, whose work is whose. So you have to put here your name and whether you used a paid publication or free. But of course for now, when you fill out these fields, everything you will have to write free, because we're focusing on the free publications first. So I will write there free. And then for status, for example, you have finished creating an account. You have already registered and you use the Rocio Suarez profile, yeah? And you have, for example, submitted the article, but it's pending. You can't see whether it's published first or not. Yeah, you just maybe, for example, received in the email that the publication received it, but it will need to be approved. So you can say pending. Okay. If it's, for example, after a few days, you get notification, okay, it's live, it's active. So you use active or published. Yeah. So depending on the status of what you wrote. Okay. Remark, comment, anything that's pertinent or relevant to about the posting that you want to inform Italo about or me about. For example, it's already published, but maybe there's some things that some changes or whatever. You put it on the under the remark or comment section. Yeah, so as easy as that. So um, yeah, so there you go. As easy as that. I will send you a link to this sheet here on Google Drive. So I will just send it on Beatrix so that everyone can see it at the same time. And if you have any question, you can ask me or Italo, of course. So yeah, all right. So talk to you later and happy writing.